Hello everybody, I truly hope all of you are doing absolutely video. This video on Claude Code is gonna be one of the life-changing video for you. If you're using Claude Code, this is amazing. This gonna completely transform your work, your productivity and everything. Now I'll tell you what I like to do. I've created this one project just to explain you. When you are not using Claude Code and you are using simple chat windows, you are very limited. You cannot interact with your computer directly. You cannot just path the file path of a certain file directly in the chat. You have to upload everything. There's many limitations. There's limited memory. There's too many limitations. Now just to explain you, let's say you are preparing for interview. I like to do bypass permissions. You are preparing for interview and your goal is to shift from 15 LPA to 13 LPA and this that you have certain goals, right? So how I'll start this Claude Code session, I'll create a new project inside Claude Code. I'll attach a folder and how I will start. I think for this Opus is fine. I'll say, hey, I wanna increase my salary 100%. I am a data engineer. I have worked with, let me turn on this. Okay, leave it. I have worked with some companies. For example, let's say you might have worked with Marriott over Snowflake. And keep making relevant memories as we chat so that I don't have to repeat myself. Also make CLAUDE.md file. So now what happens, as you keep interacting with it, keep refining the response, hey, I don't like this, I want this kind of answer, this, that, it will all not be lost, it will all stay here. Okay, so it will give you very specific targeted knowledge for you, and in a way it will have unlimited memory, and this has unlimited things you can do. I in a way do so many things, so many projects, so many personal work, all on this Claude Code. So it's really powerful. You can also tell it like, tell me, first ask me the question I need to know, I need to answer you so that you can give better response, things like that. You can keep interacting. Okay, where how you wanna earn? Let's say I wanna earn in this. What is my earlier time? Let's say this is full time. All this answer I can give, and I can keep interacting, and it will have unlimited memory. There are so many tricks. You can just open a browser also. Other trick is you can have Claude in Chrome and you can work in a way. You can tell it, give me a prompt for Claude in Chrome, and go paste there the prompt. So yeah, this has made me completely increased my productivity, and you should also try this.